Hello everybody. Now today I'm going to show you how to divide effectively. As you can see, I've already got written down my learning objective, how to divide effectively. So let's get started. So my first question will be 74 divided by 3. I'm going to show you a very easy way to divide these numbers. So, first of all, I'm going to set out my question like this. 74, a little bus stop, and a 3 here. So then, this is where you divide. So, 3 into 74 goes into 7 2 times. I write that down. But there's one remainder, so I write the one right next to it there. So 3 into 14 goes in 4 times with 2 remainder. So when you do this, your teacher might ask you to write your answer as a remainder, as shown here, or in the decimal. To do it in a decimal it's actually quite easy. So we had a remainder of 2, right? So put a decimal point there. Put a 0 there. Put a 2 there, so that becomes 20. How many times does 3 go into 20? It goes 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. So 6 times. 0.6, remainder 1. Put 0 and 1. 3 into 10 goes in 3, 6, 9. 3 times with 1 remainder. So your answer would be 24.63 or 24 remainder 2. Either one, hopefully your teacher will accept. Now we're going to be doing something a little bit more challenging. So we're going to be doing 3, the little bus stop, and 645. So what we do now is 3, two-digit numbers divided by 3. We do a 3-digit number divided by 3. It's just a bit longer. So 3 into 6 goes in 2 times. 3 into 4 goes in 1 time with a remainder of 1. So 3 into 15 goes in 5 times. So your answer is 215. You don't need to do anything else. If you really want to challenge yourself, you can do this. You can try to divide a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number. Now don't panic. It probably sounds like rocket science, but to tell the truth, it isn't. It's actually quite simple. So, let's say we've got 35 and 672. Let's take that number. So, now, instead of putting 35 into 6, 35 is 7, that's quite a long-winded method and can sometimes get quite tricky. So instead, I'm going to use a method that I call chunking. So, it's simply subtraction, except that you multiply as well. So 35, I put a 35 down. I could take away from 672, 35, then another 35, then another 35, but that wouldn't really be chunking. So I'm going to use the chunking method. I'm going to take away 350, which is 10 times, so I put a little 10 times. So I put a minus sign. It's just as if I was going to take away, as if I was going to do column subtraction. So 2 take away 0 is 2. 7 take away 5 is 2. 6 take away 3 is 3. So I'm left with 322. Obviously, I can't take away another 350. So I'm going to simply take away 70, which is 2 lots of 35. So 70, which is 2 times. Okay? So 2 take away 0 is 2. Oops, I forgot to do this. 2 take away 0 is 2. 2 take away 7, I can't do, so I simply cross out the 3 and put a little 2 beside it. So, and then I take my 1, carry the 1, and put it next to that. So it becomes 12 take away 7. Now, that is 5. Now, 2 take away, that would be nothing. 0, nothing. So 2 take away 0 is 2. 252. 10 add 2 is 12 to the 1. The first part. I'm going to use my handy laser pointer. So, 35, we use 350, which is 10 lots. Then we took away 70, which is 2 lots of 35, and we came up with 252. So now I have 252. Gonna take away, let's take away 140, which is 4 lots of 35. So that 2 take away 0 is 2. 5 take away 4 is 1. 2 take away 1 is 1. So I'm left with 112. So I'm going to take away 70, which is 2 times 35. 2 take away 0 is 2. 1 take away 7 I can't do, so I simply cross out the 1. Put a little 0 beside it. Carry the 1, so it becomes 11. So 11 take away 7 is 4. So I'm left with 42. I'm going to take away 35, which is 1 times, which equals 2 take away 5. 2, carry them. So 12 take away 5 is 7. 3 take away 3 is 2. So I'm left with 7. So my answer and 4. So 12 and 4 is 16. And 2, 18. Add 1, 19. So 19. Add the 07, which is, so that's our remainder 7. Good. All the way. Then we subtracted 140, which was 4 lots of 35. Then we subtracted another 70, which was 2 lots of 35. And we subtracted 35, which was 1 lot of 35. And we ended up with our final answer of 19, remainder 7. So, let's see all the steps that we did. This is always a thing that I like to do. I check over my steps. So, now I've got a couple of practice questions for you. So, now, I know these questions are challenging, but once you get to know how to do it, it's going to be really, really easy. Trust me, it works. Now remember, if you can't work out the decimal, always just use the remainder. However, in some assessments or exams, they will ask for a decimal. So just pay attention to the question. And yes, you do rock. As always, I wish you a good day, and hopefully I'll see you again. Bye.